Stop.
Stop!
Okay. And may prediction ako, okay? Baka tama yung nakasulat dito na napili mo, ha? Okay? Sabi mo nga, ito ba yung napili mo?
The card name of... the name of the card is Five of Hearts.
Hindi! Okay. And watch. Okay. Look.
Time. Uy, ang baho!
Okay, better card.
Oo, tama yan. Ang baho!